watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share some creative summer decor vignette ideas with you. These easy and affordable styling tips will help you bring a fresh, vibrant look to your home, perfect for the summer season. Let's explore how you can create beautiful summer vignettes in any room of your house. Colorful floral arrangements. Add a burst of color to your home with vibrant floral arrangements. Use seasonal flowers like peonies, sunflowers, or daisies in a variety of vases to create a cheerful vignette. Woven baskets and natural textures. Incorporate woven baskets and natural textures into your vignettes. Use baskets to hold magazines, blankets, or even as planters for a rustic summer look. Seashell displays. Create a coastal vibe with seashell displays. Arrange a collection of seashells, starfish, and driftwood on a tray or in a glass bowl to bring the beach into your home. Greenery and potted plants. Bring the outdoors in with greenery and potted plants. Use different sizes and types of plants to add depth and a natural feel to your vignettes. Summer-themed books and magazines. Stack summer-themed books and magazines on coffee tables or shelves. This not only adds interest but also provides reading material for those lazy summer days. Lanterns and candles. Add a cozy touch with lanterns and candles. Use them in your vignettes to create a warm, inviting atmosphere, perfect for summer evenings. Bright throw pillows. Switch out your throw pillows for ones with bright, summery colors. Arrange them on your couch or in a reading nook for a quick and easy vignette update. Outdoor vignette ideas. Don't forget your outdoor spaces. Create vignettes on your porch or patio with outdoor-friendly decor like weather-resistant pillows, lanterns, and potted plants. Vintage finds. Incorporate vintage finds into your vignettes. Old bottles, antique trays, and vintage books can add character and charm to your summer decor. Fruit bowls. Display fresh fruit in decorative bowls. Lemons, oranges, and limes not only add a pop of color but also a fresh, summery scent to your home. Art and prints. Hang or prop up summer-themed art and prints. Choose pieces with beach scenes, botanical prints, or colorful abstract designs to set a summery tone. DIY crafts. Include some DIY crafts in your vignettes. Handmade items like painted rocks, shell garlands, or personalized signs can add a unique and personal touch. Mirrors and reflective surfaces. Use mirrors and reflective surfaces to brighten up your space. Place them strategically to reflect light and make your vignettes shine. Fresh herbs in the kitchen. Place fresh herbs like basil, mint, or rosemary in small pots on your kitchen counter or windowsill. They not only look great but also provide fresh ingredients for summer cooking. Mason jar vases. Use mason jars as vases for simple flower arrangements. Tie a ribbon around the jar or paint it for a personalized touch. Outdoor lanterns. Hang outdoor lanterns or string lights on your patio or in your garden. They create a magical ambience for summer evenings. Beach-inspired trays. Arrange a beach-inspired tray with items like sand, small shells, and candles. This can be a beautiful centerpiece for your coffee table or dining table. Summer scented candles. Use scented candles with summer fragrances like coconut, citrus, or sea breeze. They add both light and a delightful scent to your space. Decorative fans. Display decorative hand fans in a vase or on a tray. They add a touch of elegance and can be functional on hot days. Picnic basket display. Set up a picnic basket with a checkered blanket, some fall fruits, and a bottle of lemonade. It's a fun and whimsical way to bring a picnic vibe indoors. Thank you for joining us on this tour of creative summer decor vignette ideas. We hope these tips inspire you to bring the beauty of summer into your home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more decorating ideas and DIY projects. Happy decorating!